picking up good vibrations.
Hi everybody, Alex Employee here from Expert Forex, and in today's video we're going to be talking about a scalping robot that turned $1,000 into $56,000 in less than a year. And that robot traded at a 90% success rate, and what's more, there is a live account that you can look at. Now, as you may know, we have started a trading success section in our free forum. The forum is fantastic. You're going to get a lot of indicators there. As you can see, over 100 indicators for free, and there are numerous trading courses that you can do. And then we've got this new section where we are featuring trading success videos. And just a while ago I made this video that you can see on your screen, which talks about a trader that has turned $10,000 into $8 million. And if you have not watched this fantastic video, please go and watch it. There are the details, and a clickable link to that video will be in the description of the video as well as in the commentary of the video. So the topic of this video is the robot that has taken $1,000, so it's a relatively small account, to $56,000 on a live account in less than a year. So let's go and have a look at this robot in a little bit more detail. Okay, so this robot is a scalping robot, so it does short-term trading. It generated over $6,000 on a very small account, and you'll see that account in a lot of detail. You can look at the drawdown percentages, you can look at the success rates and all that type of thing on this particular account. It is prop firm compliant. Very, very important. A lot of people are looking for automated prop firm strategies, and here you have the perfect one. It is beginner friendly. There are only 4 or 5 settings that you need to pay attention to. There is no grid trading. It is US broker friendly, and it has, as mentioned before, a 90% success rate. Okay, so how can you get more information about this fantastic robot? There it is. There's the link to the free forum, and as I said, a clickable link will be on the first comment of the video, this particular video, and also in the description of this particular video. So go and have a look at this robot. The results speak for themselves. You can see that it was done on a live account and that the success rate was as high as 90%. So from me, Alex Employee, cheerio.